Hi everybody, my name is Miss Suail and this is Learn Papiamentu with me. Today we are gonna have so much fun. So if you are ready, then say Si, mita kla. Say yes, I am ready in Papimentu. Let's say it together. Si, mita kla. Oh, 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 whoa, 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 whoa. Push it, push it, push it, push it. Okay, everybody. Today, we are going to learn body parts. Yes, this is my body. And we are gonna learn the body parts in Papiamentu. My body in Papiamentu is mi curpa. Can you say that with me? Say mi curpa. Yes, mi curpa. And this is a mouth. Boca. In Papiamentu, mouth is boca. Can you show me your boca? Yes! Boca. What's this? Ears. Ears in Papiamentu is orella. Orella. Can you say that? Say orella. Good job. Show me your orella. Right here and right here, we have dos orella. Dos. Oh, what is this? Eyes. Eyes in Papiamentu is wowo. Wowo. I have dos wowo. Dos. Dos wowo. Can you say wowo? Good. Wowo is eyes in Papiamentu. What's this? That's your nose. Nose in Papiamentu is nanishi. Nanishi. Can you show me your nanishi? Let me see. Yes! Nanishi! Good job! Ataki mi boca nanishi ribaje. Dos wowo pa mi mira, oreya patinde, oreya patinde, Yes! I love this song so much. The song says, here is my mouth, and my nose is on top, 2 eyes to see, and ears to hear. Okay, what's this? Your thumb, right? This is your thumb. This, your thumb, is duim in Papiamentu. Can you say that? Duim. Duim. Let me hear you say duim. Good job. What's this? Your fingers, right? Show me your fingers. Your fingers are mi dedenang. Fingers is dedenang. When you talk about one finger, it's dede. Can you say dede? Good job. Okay, let's finish the song that we were singing before. Do you remember the first part? It goes like this. Ataki mi boca nanishiri vaje. Dos wowo pa mi mira, oreya patende, oreya patende, Now, we're gonna add the other parts of the body. Are you ready? Okay? Let's sing fingers and thumb. Atakimi dede, atakimi dime. Turhuntuta dies dede, turhuntuta dos dem oh oh, turhuntuta dos dem oh oh. So that song says, here's my finger, here's my thumb, and together it makes 10 fingers. And together it makes 2 thumbs. That's what the song says. I love this part. Okay, let's sing it again. Atakimi dede, atakimi dime. Turhuntuta dies dede, turhuntuta dos dem turhuntuta dos dem What's this? That is your tongue. Yes, your tongue is linga in Papiamentu. Can you say linga? Good. Okay, let's say it together. Linga. Good job. Whoa. What's this? That is your belly button. Your belly button is lombrishi in Papiamentu. That's a big word. Can we say it together? Say lombrishi. Yes. Good job. What's this? That is your belly. Your belly is barriga. Can you show me your barriga? Yes, barriga. Let's say it together. Barriga. Good. Okay. And what's this? That is your cabeza, your head. Your head in Papiamentu is cabeza. Can you say that with me? Say cabeza. Good job. Atakimi linga, lombrishi y barriga, cabeza aquí arriba, mi curpeza quita, mi curpeza quita, Do you want to sing that again? Say atakimi linga, lombrishi y barriga, cabeza aquí arriba, mi curpeza quita, mi curpeza quita. So in English, we're saying, here's my tongue, my belly button, and my belly. My head is on top, and this is my body. And this is my body. I'm so happy that you're singing in Papiamentu. So now we gotta put the whole song together, okay? Are you ready? And after that, we're gonna play a fun game because we're gonna catch all of the other body parts. Okay? So stick with me. We're having so much fun. Let's sing. Ataki mi boca na nishiri baje. Toswoa pa mi mira orea patende. Ataki mi dede. Ataki mi dime. Turhuntuta dies dede. Turhuntuta dos dime. Oh oh. Turhuntuta dos dime. Oh oh. Ataki mi linga. Lombrishi y barriga, cabeza aquí arriba, mi curpeza quita, mi curpeza quita, Yay! This time we need to catch all the body parts, okay? If you see a body part, you gotta jump and catch it with your cabeza. Yes, with your head. So are you ready? They're gonna appear in squares and we have to run and jump and get them. Okay? And if you see them, you gotta see it in Papiamentu. Let's go. I believe that you can do this. Come on. Linga. Lombrishi. Barriga. Cabeza. Linga. Time. Dede. Lombrishi. I think we got all of the body parts. And I'm so happy that you participated today with me. Thank you all for watching and playing and having fun singing songs with me. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!